Tahimik pala pag tayo lang, no? Tayo lang dalawa sa kwarto. Feels like it's only the two of us here, Mara. Ano ka ba? Siyempre ang tahimik. Ihanga ka pa kasi. And you sounded like everything is in poetry kasi. Ito kakainin. Yeah, but really is when the truth comes out before everyone puts you in their faces, right? Are you saying that I'm fake? Na hindi ako totoo? No. You're the realest person I know. Alam mo, nakakatakot ka. Naalala mo ba nung nag-car camping tayo? We swore we'd never change everything about us? Ano ba? Oo. I remember those moments. Naalala ko pa nga pinakanta mo ko, pangit kayo ng boses ko. Don't blink for the stars, believe without you. Gosh, that was awful. But, nasa-stop pa rin sa utak ko. Kapag ikaw yung kumanta, ikaw nito. Pangit kayo ng boses ko. Stuck ka na sa akin. Through all of it, stuck ka na sa akin, di ba? Of course I am. Kailangan mo ako, di ba, Serene? And I was never gonna leave you, okay? So please don't say that I'm going to leave you. I'm stuck with you, okay? We're best friends since, childhood. You're saying like that as if I'm alone, as if ako lang mag-isa palagi. Serene, you are alone. What? Mara ba? Joke yan, ha? Hindi ko gusto yung joke na yan. Serene, it's time. It's time for you to wake up. You've been here for so long. Sitting here with me, talking to a shadow. Mara, ano ba yung pinagsasabi mo? Hindi na nakakatuwa yan, ha? Serene, you need to wake up. Now! No. I don't understand. Nandito ka lang sa tabi ko, di ba? Nag-uusap pa nga tayo eh. Kasi, ano bang pinagsasabi mo wake up, ha? Gising ako. Gising ako, magkasama tayong dalawa. Ano pa bang gusto mo sabihin, ha? Siri, Amara. I know, but I'm not supposed to be here. Serene, please. Please don't go. Don't go. Amara, please. Kailangan mong gumising. May nag-aantay pa sa'yo. Please. Wake up, Serene.